The second part of the leg therapy, we're going to use the Joya rollers. So when we're using the Joya rollers, we have to be very gentle on the calf because the tissue is much thinner there. So we're just going to glide up there, roll around on the lymphatic tissue here. Maybe we can even lift up the leg a little bit in this case and come and offer some therapy on the medial part of the knee where there's a lot of lymphatic vessels. And then make our way up to the thigh. And this always feels really good because these are some of the strongest muscles in the body, right? So we're going to move up the quadriceps, and when we get to the hips, we're going to just again do that circular therapy. Watch for bone, especially on your thinner clients, and just go gently as you pass over the bone. Circular movements, releasing a lot of this tension in the glutes. It's going to feel wonderful. And the long part of the thigh muscles or quadriceps. And we're going to do circles, and you can come up and alternate the rotation. Get creative, use your intuition, be in communication with client on pressure if that feels like it's necessary. And as we finish off the leg, we come down and glide all the way down top and bottom of the foot over the big toe.